Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor. We'll see how far we get. It's his little battery again. Anyway, I'm out here in this 26 Ocean King. I think I sold this boat brand new to Don King. Anyway, he's got a repower. That's all I'm doing right now. He even got a new Garmin. Last time I remember, I think he had something to do with his autopilot. But anyway, I ain't messing with none of that stuff. So anyway, I'm going to take it easy because I don't know how much gas is really here, and it just showed, oh, that's on the startup. You're going to get a low warning. That's just because it drops 2 volts. So anyway, well, so you know, gas shows that I got a half, but boy, before it went down, now it's dropping. So I'm thinking I've got gas, but boy, it was down blinking to 1 bar there a second ago. So I wasn't too sure. But anyway, these boats were really quiet actually. I'll just let it cruise. I'll shut this door. Good water flow out the back. A lot of cabin. Holy cow. Okay. So, and then I went through all the boat doctor tests here as far as all through the RPM range. And it's holding. Throttles ain't kicking back. RPMs are good. Trim tabs, I'll trim tab them all the way up. Then I'll start trimming here. Right there we're doing about 41, 43. Kick this one up a hair. Get the wipers on. And 63 degrees should take you through that bridge. Doing good. That's about 34 miles an hour. Trim tabs are all the way up. 66, 65, right on the money. The 65 will take you right through here, dead center. There, 63, 64, 65, right there. Then if I want, I can trim that up. The trim tab just a sec. Don't really need it. Trim those motors up. There we go. Trim it down a hair. Full throttle. Trim. Trim down to the hair. 58, 56. Trim that motor up. Trim that one down. There you go, 57. So I'm independently pushing these. Right there, 56, 58. One's about 200 off. Trim that one down a hair. 44, 45 miles an hour. Get these up. Trim that up. One motor's really high in it. 56. Run that throttle back a hair. Down. So about, yeah, that's about right. you go. Okay, repower's good. I'll pick up my stuff now. I guess drinking a beer, root beer. Boat Doctor out.